Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, viewers and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulam Hussain Bhatti Chemistry channel. After a long time, now I am going to start inorganic chemistry portion of second year class. Now, the topic of today's discussion is position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Dear students, position of an element in the periodic table depend upon its electronic configuration and its properties. Hydrogen resembles to group 1a, 4a and 7a in the periodic table in some aspects, but properties of hydrogen do not completely match with group 1a, 4a and 7a. That is why position of hydrogen is still undecided in the periodic table, and we put hydrogen with group 1a elements and as a first element of the periodic table. Now, first of all, I am going to tell you the similarities of hydrogen with group 1a. Group 1a of the periodic table is called alkali metals. Now, first of all, we will study about the similarities of hydrogen and alkali metals. Number one, dear students, both hydrogen and alkali metals have one electron in their valence shell. ns1 electronic configuration, hydrogen has 1s1 configuration. Similarly, sodium, which is group 1a element, hydrogen is present at the top as non-metal, but other members are metals. They are known as alkali metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Now, if we look at the configuration of sodium, it has one electron in its valence shell, in its outermost shell. Now, the point number two is that valence shell electronic configuration of both hydrogen and halogen is same. And similarly, they both have one electron in their valence shell and their electronic configuration is also same. Now, both has the ability to lose one electron. Both hydrogen and alkali metals have the ability to lose one electron and form unipositive ion. That is plus one ion produce hota hai. This is the metal, it will lose one electron, and M positive for metal. This is hydrogen, it will lose one electron and H positive is produced. Now, property number three, both hydrogen and alkali metals, they combine with halogens. They have the ability to react with halogens. For example, hydrogen will combine with chlorine and HCl is produced. Similarly, this is the reaction of hydrogen with halogen, and similarly, sodium is an alkali metal. It will react with chlorine and sodium chloride, which is a common salt, is produced here. Dear students, point number five, both hydrogen and halogen combined can form ionic compounds which are ionized in water. Now, the point number six, both hydrogen and halogens are good reducing agents. Point number seven is that both hydrogen and alkali metals deposit on cathode during electrolysis. Dear students, these are the seven points of similarities of hydrogen with group 1a, that is alkali metals. Dear students, now what are the dissimilarities of hydrogen from group 1a elements or alkali metals? Now, these are the alkali metals, this is the hydrogen. Now, first point is group 1a elements, that is alkali metals, they are all metals. lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they are all metals. But hydrogen is a non-metal. Now the point number 2, alkali metals are solid at room temperature. All alkali metals are solids at room temperature. But hydrogen is a gas. It is present in gaseous state at room temperature. Now the point number 3, group 1A element do not gain electrons. They don't gain electrons because alkali metals have the ability to lose electrons. Metals always lose electrons. Now, and after losing their electrons, metal can form cations. But in the case of hydrogen, hydrogen has the ability to gain electron. It has the ability to lose electron, and hydrogen has the ability to gain electron. When it gain one electron, then its octet will be completed and hydride ion will be produced. H negative one is hydride ion. When hydrogen gain one electron, it will be converted into hydride ion. When hydrogen lose one electron, then proton will be produced, H positive. Remember, my dear students. Now the point number 4, alkali metals do not exist in molecular form. Alkali metals always exist free in state. They don't exist in molecular form. They exist as lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. They don't exist in molecular form. But hydrogen do not exist in atomic state. Hydrogen always exists in the form of molecules H2. Now the last point of dissimilarities, sodium, potassium, etc., alkali metals, they are stable in water. When we react these sodium or potassium ion, it will be stable in water. But hydrogen is not stable in water. When hydrogen ion is reacted with water, it will be converted into H3O positive, hydronium ion. Then what will happen? Hydronium ion will be produced. My dear students, please note it. These are the 5 dissimilarities of alkali metals from halogens. Now, dear students, similarities of hydrogen with group 7A elements. Now we will discuss similarities of hydrogen with group 7A. Group 7A of the periodic table are known as halogens. Now first of all we will discuss the similarities. Number 1, both hydrogen and halogen X, halogen both they will gain, they have the ability to gain electron. Hydrogen also has the ability to gain electron and hydride ion will be produced. Similarly, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Astatine is an radioactive element. We don't use astatine, but all the halogens have the ability that they gain one electron and halide ion will be produced. This is an example of halide ion. Similarly, hydrogen has the ability to gain one electron and hydride ion is produced. This is point number 1. Now, the point number 2, both hydrogen and halogen, both are non-metals at room temperature. Now, the point number 3, both hydrogen and halogen exist in diatomic form. That is, hydrogen also exists in H2, chlorine Cl2, fluorine F2, bromine Br2. Both hydrogen and halogen exist in molecular form. Now the point number 4, hydrogen and halogen both are gases at room temperature. Majority of the halogens are present in gaseous state. Now my dear students, now the point number 5, both hydrogen and halogen, they form ionic compounds when they react with group 1A elements, that is alkali metals. For example, when hydrogen combine with alkali metal, then what will happen? Then sodium hydride is produced And similarly, when chlorine react with sodium, then sodium chloride will be produced. These are 5 similarities of hydrogen with group 7a elements, that is halogens. Dear students, now I am going to tell you the dissimilarities of hydrogen with group 7a elements. Halogens belong to group 7a elements. Point number 1. Halogen has 7 electrons in its valence shell, but hydrogen has only 1 electron in its valence shell. Point number 2. Halogen cannot lose electrons. Halogens always has the ability to gain electrons, but hydrogen has the ability to lose electron, and therefore it will be converted into H positive, that is proton. Point number 3. Halogen do not form stable compounds with oxygen. It forms unstable compounds Cl2O, Cl2O7, but hydrogen has the ability to form stable compound with oxygen, that is water is the stable compound. Now the point number 4, halogen is a p block element, but hydrogen is s block element. Now the last point, iodine is solid at room temperature, but bromine is liquid at room temperature. Now, but in case of hydrogen, hydrogen is always present in gaseous form at room temperature. These are the 5 dissimilarities of hydrogen with halogens. Dear students, now I am going to tell you the similarities of hydrogen with group 4a elements. Now, point number 1, both hydrogen and group 4a elements have half-filled valence shell. They have half-filled valence shell, that is, hydrogen has 1 electron in its valence shell, but it can have the ability to gain 2 electrons in the valence shell. And in the case of carbon, carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell, but in the second shell there are 8 electrons. Therefore, we can say that both hydrogen and group 4a elements are half-filled. Number 2. अब इसमें number 2 is both hydrogen and group 4a elements they have the ability to make covalent bond with halogens. They can make covalent bond with halogen, for example HCl, CCl4. Number 3, ionization energy and electron affinity of both hydrogen and group 4a elements, they are comparable. They both have comparable ionization energy and electron affinity. Now, my dear students, the point number 4, electronegativity of carbon is 2.5, but electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1, but it is comparable. Now, the point number 5 is that both hydrogen and group 4a elements are good reducing agents. They are good reducing agents. Students, both hydrogen and group 4a elements are good reducing agents. ये खुद ऑक्सीडाइज होते हैं और दूसरों को रिड्यूस कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, हाइड्रोजन when combined with copper oxide, it will remove its oxygen and copper metal will be produced, and this oxygen will combine with this hydrogen. Similarly, carbon when combined with SnO2, then what will happen? Carbon will remove its oxygen and combine with that oxygen, and Sn will be separated. So we can say that ये both group 4a elements and hydrogen जो है ये खुद ऑक्सीडाइज होते हैं और दूसरों को रिड्यूस कर देते हैं. Now, my dear students, the last point is dissimilarities of hydrogen with group 4a elements. Dear students, group 4a elements, they belong to P block. They are P block elements, but hydrogen is S block element. Now, the point number 2, group 4a elements are solids, but hydrogen is present in gaseous state. Now, the point number 3, hydrogen group 4 elements need 4 electrons to fill their valence shell. जैसा कि कार्बन के वैलेंस शेल में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है and it need 4 further electron to complete its valence shell. But hydrogen needs only 1 electron to fill its valence shell because हाइड्रोजन के वैलेंस शेल में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है और एक और आएगा तो इसका वैलेंस शेल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पॉइंट नंबर 4, group 4 elements can form long chain compounds. For example, carbon has the ability of catenation. It can form long chains and rings, but hydrogen cannot form long chain compounds. And the last point of today's discussion is, due to 4 electron in the valence shell, group 4a elements can combine with 4 elements because they have 4 electrons in their valence shell and they can combine with 4 elements. For example, carbon will combine with 4 chlorine atoms. Therefore, it will be converted into carbon tetrachloride. But in the case of hydrogen has 1 electron in the valence shell and it will combine with only 1 element. That is, hydrogen will combine with 1 chlorine atom and it will be converted into HCl. And my dear students, these are the 5 dissimilarities of hydrogen with group 4a elements. My dear students, this is all about the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Dear students, अब बोर्ड में ये क्वेश्चन कैसे आता है, कौन से ईयर में आया हुआ है? My dear students, in 2016, Lahore board and Multan board, and in Multan board 2017, a question was there in the paper. Write 2 similarities and 2 dissimilarities of hydrogen with group 4a elements. Important one. Now the question number, it is also a board long question in Lahore board 2016 and Azad Jammu and Kashmir 2016 is that write 2 similarities and 2 dissimilarities of hydrogen with group 4a elements. My dear students, आपको इसकी एटलीस्ट इनकी सिमिलैरिटीज एंड डिससिमिलैरिटीज की 3 प्रॉपर्टीज लाजमी आनी चाहिए. एंड दीज आर द बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस related to this topic which I have described to you in detail. My dear students, viewers and spectators, thank you very much for watching my video and please share my video with your friends. Thank you.